Tim Armand from Adams Rite, Business Development Manager, covering UK commercial aluminium systems houses. Testing to LPS1175, each potential weak point of the door is focused upon by the test engineer to exploit every possible weakness they can find to try and get through and defeat the door. Each element of the door is attacked for 3 minutes per SR2 to exploit any potential weaknesses. What this results in real terms for the hardware is that on the pivot of the closer at the bottom of the door through to the spindle at the top will be exposed through banging with a hammer, ripping away with mole grips and various levers so they can actually attack the components, through to the lock, which will be revealed through peeling the aluminium away, through to the cylinder and the escutcheon, which will be hit with a hammer repeatedly, through to potential hand drill tests. Door sets specifically is where we wanted to focus. We found that as our new products came through, conforming to standards such as EN12209 for single point security locking, EN1303 for cylinder security and attack resistance, concealed transom closers to EN1154, again performance related standards. This aligned up very nicely with what was happening with our customers who were looking to design their door sets to meet equally stringent standards. Going back about 4 or 5 years, Adams Rite took the strategic decision to design and develop new ranges of hardware to encompass specifically European but also British legislation. The idea behind that being was to raise the benchmark in the industry so that we have some empirical evidence to back up any claims that we made about our hardware. This coincided with a change in British approach to building regulations and buildings in general, especially with the emphasis on public procurement for schools, education spend, hospitals, where whole buildings were being looked at from a legislative point of view. What we found here at BRE, testing to LPS1175, a security rating of level 2 has been achieved using a combination of the hardware that we've been developing and door sets which are specially designed to cope with the rigorous attacks that are inflicted upon it. Door set standards led by organisations such as Secure by Design require doors to meet the LPS 1175 standard. What we end up with at the end of this process are door sets which are proven with actual test evidence to resist all kinds of opportunist and to a certain degree professional attacks.